Thinking about starting a new online business in 2024? Or do you have an existing business that you want to make more profitable? Then you need Clickfunnels 2.0. In this video, I'm going to show a complete tutorial of how to use the platform itself. This is going to be a beginner-friendly tutorial, so we'll see you on the inside. Keith Bell here from Funnellosophy.com, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So you're thinking about starting a new business in 2024, or you have an existing business and you're thinking about using Clickfunnels 2.0 to make that existing business more profitable, or to start a new online side hustle using Clickfunnels 2.0. Many people, when they first sign up inside the ClickFunnels platform, they find it to be a bit confusing. So what I'm here to do today is I'm going to do a complete beginner-friendly tutorial. It's going to be a bare bones. I'm not going to go into a ton of in-depth analysis or discussion of individual parts of Clickfunnels 2.0, but what I'm going to do is give you a really good solid foundation so you can understand how the platform itself works. So let's go on inside my computer and I'll show you what it's all about. Hey, before we go inside my dashboard, I want to invite you to stick around to the end because I'm going to teach you a secret hack on how you can get a free 30-day trial of Clickfunnels 2.0. Now, most trials that you'll get out there are for 14 days, but this is a way that you can get a free 30-day trial and maybe learn a little bit more about how to build in Clickfunnels 2.0. Also, if you like the content you see here today, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I put out a new video. And please, if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you drop a comment in there, say hello, tell me what you'd like to see me do videos on. I always respond back at least within 24 hours. I want to try to put out the best possible content for my audience. So let's go inside my computer. Okay, so here we are at the login page for my Clickfunnels account. And the reason I'm here is I want to show you that once you've gotten your account set up and everything, there's two ways that you can sign into your Clickfunnels account. You can use the standard way, which is to log in with your password. You just put your email address that you signed up with in here, and then log in with password. But we're going to use something called a magic link. So I'm going to populate this with my email address, and I'm going to request a magic link. And then what happens is it just sent an email to my Outlook account. And we'll wait here, and so Clickfunnels has sent me a magic link, and all I have to do is hit login now. And there you have it. Once I press that login now button, it's going to take me inside my workspace. Okay, so there you have it. We are now logged into my workspace, and this is a account I set up not too long ago, so it doesn't have a whole lot of activity in it. But what I'm using it for mainly now is to work with my other clients in collaboration. So I'm going to go through and show you, first of all, the most basic level, which is the account level of your Clickfunnels account. And if you go over here and you click on your picture, you're going to open it up and you're going to see user settings. You can change the language, the affiliate center, and you can log out. If I click on user settings, it's now going to open up my individual user settings. Your email address will be in there, your first name, your last name. You want to change the time zone to where you live. I'm going to change this. I'm going to take out my middle initial. Don't really see a need for that to be in there. Okay, so I've changed that out. So this is the basic account level. You have your general level. And if you open that up, you're going to see I have the name of my company, Funnellosophy Media Group, my logo. I have not set up Payments AI yet for this. You can also set up, for those of you who are in the e-commerce space or planning on selling products, you can set up prefixes for your invoices. I have FMG for Funnellosophy Media Group. over here is Collaborators. And what that means is if you have someone that is going to be your funnel designer, or somebody who's going to be your copywriter, your graphic designer, you can actually give them access by inviting them to become a collaborator. And all you do is you hit the Add New Collaborator button, and you can hit Add a New Member. You add a new member, and then you can assign their roles: reader, customer support, affiliate manager, funnel builder, marketing, payments, and administrator. Keep in mind, if you sign somebody administrator level, they're going to have access to everything in your account, including seeing your payments and what you've received, and the ability to change your password. So use that sparingly, okay? Notifications. This is where ClickFunnels will send you notifications about updates to the platform. Let's see, I have a change log there. I don't need to see that, but if you click this bell up here, it'll also open up this page and tell you what new notifications you have. You'll see your billing and your subscription information for you. Close that out. Locations, you want to add in your address, okay? Shipping. If you're going to set up different shipping rates for different products, physical products, you can do that here. My assets, this is going to open up every asset that I've uploaded to this page. Integrations, this is going to show me where the various integrations that I've linked to this account. I have my ClickFunnels Classic account, which I've had since 2017, that I've linked to this account, my GetResponse account, and my Slack account. Styles, we're not going to get into that because there's not a whole lot we can do with styles right here. Themes, and basically what themes are themes for your web page. So what is very different about ClickFunnels 2.0 is that you can now build what's called a funnel hub. Now, when you look at a funnel hub, you're going to say, well, geez, Keith, that looks an awful lot like, let's see if I can open this up here. This is my website that I'm working on. It looks an awful lot like a web page, okay? Well, it looks like a web, but it doesn't function as a web page. And I'm not going to get into that too much right now. I'm going to do a separate video on funnel hubs. I'd explain their purpose and what they do, but I just wanted to show you that you have the ability to set up a funnel hub here. And let's go back here. You can now blog. You can set up your blog. If you want to write blog posts to help drive traffic to your website, you can do that here. Community, you can set up a community page to build a community of your followers. Let's say, for example, you're a yoga coach and you have a page dedicated to your yoga studio and you want to build a community group. You can do that here. You have a store that you can set up. I don't have a store set up in here. You can set up an online store. You have a customer center. Your customer center is the products that you own. I'll show you a preview here. One of the products that I'm going to be building is a Funnel Hub automation membership. Once that's done, there'll be a link in the descriptions on my video on how to use that. And then you have funnels, where you can design individual funnels, and pages. I'm not going to talk about URL redirects right now, but you can also sell courses, and then we'll talk about domains in a separate video. So I'm going to go back to my dashboard here. So we're back to the dashboard, and in the middle here, you see this section for funnels. Okay, you can start from scratch, or if you're brand new like you are, and you don't know, you don't even know what a funnel is, and you want to learn how to build a funnel, just click on, we're going to collect leads. Let's say you're a real estate agent and you want to try to collect leads. You click on this, and I think this is really cool. So what you have here is a video. I'm not going to play the video, but a video of Russell Brunson explaining what pages are involved with a lead generating funnel. Okay, you have a squeeze page and a thank you page, and at the very bottom here you have various templates that are incorporated inside of your account, and you can preview them and see what they look like. Open this up. This is a preview of a lead generating landing page, or what's called a squeeze page, and it's just a mock-up of one. Go back here, go back to the dashboard, and we'll look at another one. Let's go. We want to sell a product. Okay. And it's going to have a video where they explain the process. I'll click on.
So you're here because you want to build a cart funnel.
So you want to build what he's calling a cart funnel, or a sales funnel. You got a tripwire page, an upsell page, and a confirmation page. And it, just like the lead magnet page, or the squeeze page, you've got various templates that you can work with, and you can customize these. And I will be doing a video specifically on the editor later so you can see this, but this is a mock-up of a lead magnet page, or a sales page. Okay, so go back to the dashboard. So these are all the different funnels that you can create. You can create a website or funnel hub. You can create individual pages. Let's say you need to make a terms of service page, or a or a privacy policy page. You can make an individual page for that. You can create broadcast email. Let's say you want to email your list. You can create a broadcast email here. This is a customer center. You can manage your courses, and you can also manage your workflows. And workflows are basically automated emails that go out over a series of time. And again, we'll be doing separate videos on that as well. So let's go back to the dashboard here. So on the left-hand side of the page here are the various areas inside your account that you can go to. So the first one is the website. Okay, and this is going to show you all the different aspects of your website. If you click on this little funnel shaped thing right here, you can go in and open up your funnels. I'm actually working on a funnel right now for a company in San Diego that's selling real estate in Mexico. Just want to show you this real quick to see, the quality of what their pages look like. So once you click on that, it's going to take you inside a workflow here. I'm not going to get into that because I don't want to confuse you. I just want to show you what this page looks like, what this website looks like. Go to a preview of it. Apologize for the delay. You can see here, this is a website that I have created for a company that's selling real estate in Mexico. Pretty cool, huh? Not quite done yet, but I just wanted to show you that. Let's go back to our dashboard. Okay, so you've got individual funnels that you can create. Here you've got your products. So if you are selling a product, like I'm going to be selling a Funnel Hub automation membership, you can see here where I've created it here. Right now it's hidden because it is not built. Orders, this is where you can see the individual orders that come in. Here you have your contacts, and here are your analytics. You can look at page analytics. Okay, so right below page analytics is marketing. If you click on marketing, you're going to see, after you click on marketing, you're going to see your workflows. Your workflows are basically your automated station. You can send out messages, promotion in the form of emails. You've got broadcast emails that you can send out, one-off emails where you send one out. Email templates, they've got a whole bunch of email templates in here that you can look at just by clicking on learning more about templates. You have marketing setting. This is important to do. you need to make sure that you put your complete name and address in here and do your footer text for unsubscribed footer. This is required under cam spam. So you've got countdown timers and countdown events. I don't want to overwhelm you right now, but I just want to show you one more thing here, and that's payments AI. As soon as it opens up here. Okay, so here we have the setup tab for payments AI, and what this is this allows you to collect money as a business from people when you sell individual products, courses, memberships, and so forth. So that pretty much covers that part of the sidebar. I just want to cover a couple other things that are kind of important. If you go all the way down to the bottom here, there's some great training in the Clickfunnels 2.0 Academy. So if you really get lost and you want to really learn more about Clickfunnels 2.0, sign up for the Clickfunnels Academy. There are live trainings where they have, regular, they're like Zoom style training sessions where you can ask questions and so forth. There's the members community. There's also product documentation like you would see on any other website. So there you have it. That's the inside of the ClickFunnels platform. So the goal of this this video was to show you an overview of the Clickfunnels 2.0 dashboard and how to set up your settings and so forth. I don't expect you to, remember any of this. Come back to the video and look at it as often as you'd like. But I just wanted to give you a basic overview. One of the things that this channel is going to specialize in is I'm going to take individual parts here and I'm going to do more detailed videos on them. So there you have it, folks. That was a complete overview tutorial of the Clickfunnels 2.0 platform. I hope you got value out of this. As promised, I told you earlier in the video, if you stuck around to the end, I'll tell you how you can get a free 30-day trial to Clickfunnels 2.0. If you look in the description of this video, you're going to see a link for a 30-day free trial. Click on that. If you want the t-shirt, and there's some training books there, I think it's relatively inexpensive. You might get a lot out of it, but you can get a free 30-day trial of ClickFunnels just by using that link in my description. Full disclosure, I do get an affiliate commission from that. That helps support my channel and helps me grow my channel. If you got value out of today's video, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so that every time I put a new video out, you're notified. And like I said before, we're going to be doing individual videos on different parts of the Clickfunnels 2.0 platform, including how to design different types of funnels, lead funnels, sales funnels, webinar funnels, challenge funnels, every funnel you can think about. And we're going to be using AI and automation tools during the process. See you in the next video.